Yun, good day mga ka-adventure. This is Tito Rai, Computerized World and Adventure. For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Pudge Cafe sa Antipolo. So tara, tingnan natin kung anong meron sila dito.
I'm Shaira Hope Diaz Lakay. I am the owner of Pudge Cafe 195 Celsius here in Hollywood Terraces, Antipolo City. Ayun po. Ang nagtulak sa akin sa pag-open ng coffee shop kasi coffee lover po talaga ako. Then, marami na po akong napupuntahan na coffee shop. Then, lahat yun, halos gusto kong tikman isa-isa yung mga lasa ng coffee shop. Yung coffee nila. Ayun. Ayun. For the cold drinks po, for the espresso, our best seller po is caramel macchiato and Spanish latte. Yun yung mga choices talaga ng halos na students na in-order nila here. And then for the ice blended naman po yung Java chip tsaka yung Oreo ice blended po. And for the pastries, cookies. Yun. Mga affordable na gusto ng mga students talaga. Ma-advise ko is kapag gusto nilang mag-open ng business, they should open a business by their heart po. Ayun. Na ginagawa namin to by heart to satisfy the customer at kung paano kami makatungo sa kanila. Kasi business is only a business when you think and when you realize that only for money, but our business is not just for money, but it's a gift from God. Ayun po. Franchise po itong Pudge Cafe yun. Then, Pudge Cafe 195 Celsius, yung name niya, it means for the 195 Celsius po. Yun po yung perfect temperature for the coffee. Ayun po, yes. Sa lahat po ng netizens natin, we are inviting you here in our coffee shop. It is located in Extension 1, Hollywood Terraces, Barangay Santa Cruz, Antipolo City. Dito po yung Pudge Cafe 195 Celsius. For the Facebook page, ayun po, Pudge Cafe 195 Hollywood Terraces po. Then we have also online deliveries na po for the Food Panda and Grab Food. Available na rin po siya.
At marami pong salamat sa pagsubaybay nyo sa ating Pudge Cafe episode. May part 2 pa po tayo nito. At marami din pong salamat sa ating mga sponsor, sa Jobcon Tactical Outfitters, De Leon Design and Company, Bondat Grill, Marikina Fish Keepers and Breeders, and Kabalikat Civicom. And also please like our FB page, Tito Rice World and Adventure. Also like and share and subscribe on our YouTube channel, Tito Rice World and Adventure YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell para manonotify ho kayo sa aming mga susunod na mga i-upload na mga video. At salamat po ulit at kita-kita po tayo ulit sa susunod nating adventure. Salamat!